Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hi to my new subscribers. This is Madonna helping you with drawing and painting ideas for beginners. For today's video, I'm going to show you another things to draw when bored or drawing ideas for autumn. So let's get started. For the first one is draw dried leaves or fern. So pick any dried or fallen leaves in your backyard, or if you have any, are some of my ferns and leaves, then a little bit of flowers that I collected. That is really great for inspiration for drawing, painting, or illustration. And here I'm just gonna draw a simple line drawing of fern. You can draw it in a realistic style or stylized way, in any way that you like. And I'm using my Unipen Mitsubishi pen. I'm just really gonna outline the leaves, and I'm just trying to do a super realistic here. I'm just trying to make line drawings. This is one of the simple way to draw. You can really go wild with your leaves. You can draw or add colors to your illustrations, and you can use different shapes of leaves. And if you are a nature lover and you like to pick up leaves and collect them for your art journal or sketchbook, and give it a go. They are a really fantastic way to give you lots of ideas for this fall or autumn season. So next, let's go to draw some plant fossils. So this one I forget the name, but they grows along with ferns, and this one has some little stems around it. It's kind of really similar to a bottle brush. So they have like hair stems, and it's like something like feather texture to it, but it's really not something that will prickle you, or although you can use it to tickle your ears. And then how about flowers? There are many different kinds of flowers that still bloom for fall or autumn, and I found this chrysanthemum that is still blooming in the garden. The petals are really has some complex shapes to it. So I'm just gonna outline these petals by just breaking the shapes of the object or subjects that you're drawing. This will help you learn to see the shades, what it look like, and then just to transfer it there in your paper. I do have also some azalea flower, or any flower. If you have your favorite ones, you can really just draw them, and maybe just some put a little details or dots. So just go out, and there are many amazing shapes, colors, and types of leaves that you can try. And if you're learning how to draw, or just love line drawings, or love simplifying things out, and don't worry about so much about the details, I have a Skillshare class for that. You can check it out in the description box. I have the link below if you want to. If you like to draw realistic objects, I made a sunflower drawing here before, and just like Frida Kahlo said, I paint flowers so they will not die. So this one for me is I draw flowers so they will not die. So really, flowers are really great study for value and for realistic ones, or exploring realistic illustrations for botanicals or plant. And if you don't have any reference or leaves available, you can visit Unsplash website for inspiration. Nature journaling is really amazing, and you can get that creativity juice flowing and learn skill at the same time. And if you find it hard to draw leaves, or how to draw or paint a leaf, you can always trace it. Yes, all you have to do is just to get a leaf and put it down on your paper and just trace or draw the size or shape of it, and voila, you got instant leaf drawing. So I'll just going to add more leaf to fill the sketchbook page. And if you watch my previous videos on how to use a reference in your art, is just like what I have here. I have lots of leaves, and I'll just use whatever that comes to my mind. It doesn't have to be really exactly what's my subject in front of me. So there you go, guys. I hope I help you with drawing ideas for fall for today, things to draw, or drawing ideas for autumn season. So thank you so much for watching my videos, guys, and supporting my channel, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.